we're in the dark, but I decided I'm gonna intro a vlog for the first time since I've been vlogging. Hey guys, it is Friday night. I'm starting the vlog here because I'm back from a night out. That didn't happen. I basically drove to my friend's house, which was 15 minutes away from me, which isn't far. We were gonna go to a bar, and I got there and realized I didn't have my wallet or my ID or anything, and like bars in LA are really strict and they would not take like a picture of an ID or anything like that. When they left, I hung out for like an hour and a half, and then they went out and I came home. So this was my outfit. It was pretty casual anyways. But I'm kind of sad because the bar seemed like cool vibe. Back to another week of vlog. Basically happy Friday because this is when I post it. I post on Fridays. Happy Friday guys. Hope you enjoy this vlog. Let's get to tomorrow because today is a fail and I'm gonna shower and get into bed. Ordered some Jones on 3rd. Ew, crazy. Woke up so late today, but it's Saturday, so it's justified. Gotta get the egg salad. My breakfast burrito. You guys see, so good. I just got ready. We are going bowling on a little double date with Adi's sister. This is my outfit. Cute. My top is from Brandy. It's like a little graphic tee. I cropped it. My sweater is the one I wore yesterday. Jeans are my Levi's that I wear all the time, and then my shoes are the white loafers. We're going bowling and then getting froyo. So just very casual vibes for our little Saturday. This guy's being literally crazy. Show him how crazy you are. Vlog Adi since I never show him in my vlogs. I was like, let me go show Adi since he's never in my vlogs, and now you're getting dressed.
Hey.
Hey.
What the heck are you? Wow! It creates like a shell. So cool. Look.
Holy cow.
It's Sunday, and I look crazy. Go to Trader Joe's for our Sunday Trader Joe's shop. I'm literally just wearing yoga pants, tank top, black crew neck, and then I'm gonna slip on some Uggies. Is that what you're wearing?
No.
Too. I got a new tripod, guys. I know I've been complaining hella about mine, so finally got a new.
Yo, what was that?
Trader Joe's. I'm preparing a little appetizer. So I have prosciutto from Trader Joe's, and then I cut up some melon earlier, so I'm gonna wrap the prosciutto around the melon for our little appetizer because I'm hungry. Wow, we got pizza. I don't know which one this is, but this one looks crazy. Wow, barbecue chicken. Ooh, this is the 4 cheese. Wow, this smells insane. Margarita pepperoni, olives. Wow, wait. Oh yeah, it's underneath. Pepperoni's underneath, I guess. Guys, it is, what day is it? Monday. I'm making a chai. I just filmed some TikTok, then now we're gonna film some reactions. I would show you guys how to make my chai. So step 1, ice. Step 2, the chai concentrate from Trader Joe's. It is so good. Sometimes it's sold out, so if you can get your hands on it, you gotta get like 12 of them. And then this is the oat milk from Costco. It's like my favorite oat milk, honestly. Okay. Top with a little bit more chai. Strictly drink out of a straw. We stir it. I'll link these cups and the straws in my Amazon shop page. Make sure you guys go check it out. But yeah, so yummy. I'm getting my nails done tomorrow. They're looking not good. I'm wearing just this little tank from Brandy, and then the sweater is from Brandy also. It has like a little collar, it's so cute. And then my Aritzia sweatpants for comfort on the bottom. Just made dinner. Made tacos again, taco salad. I don't have sour cream. and I should have gotten it, but I didn't want to order food and I didn't want to go to the store. So I just made tacos with what I have. I'm also watching Euphoria. I haven't seen it, and now like with their second season coming out, it's all over my For You page. So I decided to start watching it. So that's what I'm watching on TV right now while I eat. Happy Tuesday. I'm on my way to get my nails done. As you can tell, they're literally all bit off. This one I just took off completely. They feel so weird. I hate having short nails. Like, it feels so odd to me now for some reason. So I'm gonna get my nails back on. I just filmed a little makeup tutorial. The video should be out or is coming soon, so stay tuned because you guys always ask me for like what I do with my makeup. So I filmed like this whole makeup look, basically like the clean girl makeup, just super glowy vibes. So stay tuned. We're opening a package. Cute. So I got this hat. I just thought it was cute and I love green. I got this little corset top. Hopefully it fits me. It's a zipper, but also like the back is like elastic. Cute. I have this in black and brown, so I just got in like a little gray color. This shirt, it's a little graphic tee, and it says, what does it even say? My life is good vibes. I didn't realize that's what it said. Like, I wear little graphic tees, baby tees all the time, so I was like, might as well. This is mainly why I placed the order. These pants, I literally buy every color of these pants that they sell. I need to get the pink ones, but I've been waiting. But I just got, they came with like a blue color. So cute. Love. Welcome to Wednesday. I am filming a little TikTok because I'm doing arts and crafts again. This time I got like tape, so I just got like really thin painter's tape, and then I'm using white and blue today because it's honestly like a little DIY way, and it's obviously cheaper than buying your own coasters and all that fun stuff, and it's like meditative. Guys, these are the coasters right now. I like this blue one more than that blue one, but I think it's still cute. And then these two green ones are going to go on the coffee table in the living area because it matches the green checkered. But I feel like they're going to come out really cool. I'm letting them dry probably for a few hours to make sure they're like fully dry, and then I'll glaze them. But I'm actually so excited. I feel like it was so fun, and I kind of want to like get a canvas and do like the blocked checkered on the canvas with like how I did with those two green ones, but on a canvas. I feel like that would be really cool. So I'll show you guys when I take it off because I feel like this is gonna be such a satisfying part of the journey. Guys, I'm so cold. Oh my god. It's 5:45. It's 5:45 in the morning. I'm going to fucking sunrise yoga. Who I'm like shaking, I'm sorry. I was leaving my front door. The sprinklers are on. This, I feel like I'm talking so weird because I'm literally incapable of breathing right now. Sprinklers are literally on the front door. So I'm like maneuvering past them. So I get to the gate. This shit just sprays me right in the fucking side. I'm wet and cold, and it's so early. I don't know what I'm doing. Soon I'll I'll be there, and then I'll be able to get in a hot room. That's the only thing I'm looking towards right now. Woo. There's no way. I just woke up. It's 9:30. I went to my yoga this morning, came back, showered, got right back into bed. Now I forgot I even went because I went back to sleep for 2 hours. I'm meeting my sister and my mom for coffee soon. I don't drink coffee, but I'll get some tea. Get ready fast, and I'll see you guys there. Got ready. Did my makeup. I just need to film something really quick for a brand, and then I'm gonna start laundry and then leave. Yummy. Hey besties, I'm going to get dinner with my friends, and this is what I'm wearing. I'm on my phone because my camera fully died and I haven't charged the battery yet. This is the fit. I just changed my top and sweater. The sweater is new from Brandy. Obsessed with it. And then the top's also from Brandy. You guys know I'm a Brandy lover. We're just getting to Kaya, which is just like a casual little healthy Mexican restaurant. And then I'm just putting on my little Uggs. I just bought a new pair of Uggs. I actually posted on my story like asking you guys if I should buy them, and a lot of people, like 50-50, said no, 50 said yes. So I got them anyways. It took me a little bit longer, and they ended up selling out on Uggs website, but I found them on Amazon, so I'll link it for you guys. Not everyone's cup of tea. I like it because they're platform, and like remember when Sky ate my little Uggs, so I wanted a new pair of little tan Uggs because I do have the black ones, but I wanted tan boots. Oh look, I put on a new ring. It's a mood ring. Cute.